guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a long time riding bike, so I just thought that I'll go wrap my TopBox. So I was planning it from a very long time. The shop is somewhere near MG Road. So today I just messaged the particular person, the sticker shop person, and he said he's free and to come down. So the time is currently 2:40 p.m. and I'm just riding towards the sticker shop. Before that, as usual, we'll fuel up tequila, and I'm still like thinking what all to sticker up, like how to sticker up and all those stuff. The sticker guy, that particular shop, he does a very awesome job. So I've seen it in many vlogs that he does a really great job. So I thought like I'll just get the box wrapped currently. Let's see how much it will cost, and hope it's done soon. Let's fuel up tequila. I don't know whether they have XP 95. Ah, 95. Okay. So I'll just fuel it up and catch you guys back soon. Hey guys, currently 33 minutes is left to reach the shop, and it's quite sunny. The climate was a bit dull when I left home, but now it's quite sunny and it's burning my feet. I don't know how much time will it take to wrap up the TopBox. I believe maybe around 1.5 to 2 hours. It's been like close to 10 months buying this TopBox, and now I am planning to wrap it. So I don't know how the wrap will come out. I have few ideas in my mind. Let's see if it can be implemented. There is a toy shop over here. Okay, they have shifted that side. It was so beautiful. The small toy cars and bikes over there. I'm too much interested in those things. Obviously, boys, you know, right? We are too much interested in cars and bikes. See this auto. Seeing this, I can remember one of the cartoon characters. I don't remember which one is it, where the cartoon character's head will be like so big and the body will be small. It's looking good, like a different thing. The time is currently 3:15 and I am near Vidhan Sauda. From here still it's showing like 19 minutes more. This is Vidhan Sauda. So guess we have finally arrived to the location. The time is currently 3:32 p.m. The shop needs to be somewhere over here. I'm not sure where. Don't know which area is this. There's a huge step. Okay, we have arrived. Not doing that. He's not there, is he?
What?
Is he there over there?
Yeah, he's here.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Should I take my bike?
No, no. It's fine, it's fine. So this is the shop. Hey guys, so here is the update. I'm going back home. I've left the top box over there and I've set the design too. So let's see how much time will it take. The person said me like it will take 1 week, as he has to take correct measurements and then stick it onto the box. So I left the box over there too. I said I'll come on next Thursday. Today is Thursday, so maybe like next Thursday I have to come and get the top box from here. And speaking about the cost, I will say that later on in this video while picking up the top box. Hey guys, so this is another video, another vlog. It took around 1 week to get the stickering done, and now I'm currently heading towards the stickering shop, and it's a bit far from my house. It's in the opposite side of Bangalore, so it's in the entrance of Bangalore in the other side. So yeah, I'm just heading towards the stickering shop. I just saw the images which the person sent and it was too good. I loved it. The work, the quality is awesome. And currently the weather, it's kinda dull. I hope it will rain, but I'm praying that it should not rain today, because this is the first time I'm taking my top box out after stickering. So that will be a new thing, right? Like again it will get wet in rain and it will be a big mess up. So I don't want that to happen. Let's see how it goes up. Riding after a week, it's seriously so awesome in this air. I'm just loving it. And tequila is also thirsty a bit. Hey guys, so now I guess we are gonna reach the sticker shop. From here it's like it's showing 2 minutes in Google Maps. So let's see how far it is. Okay, which side is it? Which side is it? It's straight. I don't know whether we can go like this or no. There was no signal too. It was in orange. Baba Ji ki booty. Okay, I guess this cow settled over here. Last time also when I came over here, this cow was over here only. Okay, that's the shop, sticker shop. It's mentioned over there. See how much time it will take, I'm not sure. He's not there. Hey guys, here is the sticker shop and the work done. It's so good actually. The quality is awesome. And also The person's name is Sathish. So you guys could contact. You'll get it in Google, and this is the shop over here. Here is where he designs. He did a really awesome job. I'm really happy with the job. And it's not only a sticker, it's like printed out the words over there, which you can see. It's actually printed on one single sticker, one single vinyl, and then stuck on it. And there is a lamination too above it, so that it doesn't tear up or it doesn't get any dirt. I'm so happy with the work. This is the Instagram handle. If you guys want to follow, you can contact him for any vinyl. He also does a full bike vinyl. I'll drop down the contact details in the description, so please do check it out.
Dois, três, vai!
And for the TopBox, it costed me around 2.3k approximately, because as it's a 55 liter TopBox, for 45 liters I guess it will be less. So it's a pretty good job done, and I'm very satisfied about it. Hey guys, so I've got the TopBox finally, and it's wrapped awesomely. I'm loving it. And now I'm heading back towards my home. I don't know how long will it take from here. Let's see.
Huh?
Hey guys, finally I'm reaching my home. The time is 5:11 p.m. and as usual, thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you guys loved it, and I'll catch you back soon with another video, another trip. So keep watching. This is Sachin signing off as of now.